off, so what do I say?
Well, you can give him the bow thruster signal.
Which is on my hip.
Yep, and point to the left. Okay. And of course he doesn't have, there we go. Okay, start pulling in some of the slack. You gotta untie.
Do I hold on to this at all?
Oh, let it straighten up.
Okay.
Fix this right here. Okay. Now pull it in with the foot button. Okay, wait. Tell him to drive the boat forward with your arm signals.
Okay.
Arm signals. Like this. Okay. Okay, neutral. Give him the fist for neutral. Okay, pull in the slack. Forward to the right. Okay, neutral. We're running over it. Pick it up. Okay, wait a minute. It's straining and slipping a little bit. Okay, give him the fist for neutral. Okay, try to pick it up some more. Okay, for some reason it won't pick it up. Pick it up some more. Okay, wait a minute. Go get the special tool. Put the special tool in here. It should be in the foot bench by the door. The clutch is slipping, so we have to tighten up the clutch right here. Okay, put that in the square hole and go forward a little bit. No, forward. Okay, that's good. Lay that on the deck so it doesn't fall overboard. Okay, try to pick it up now. Okay, let it out some. Okay, now try to pick it up. Hold that up for me. And see if you can pick it up with the button. Okay.
Like something's stuck.
Something stuck. We may have to go down into the stateroom and open up the anchor locker. Let out about 10 feet. Okay, now bring it in. We think we fixed it, but something's weird down there. So what I think is happening is called the Pyramid of Doom.
The Pyramid of Doom?
So I don't know how big or how small your anchor locker is, but if it's kind of small, there might be a big pyramid down there, and it won't pile on top of the pyramid. So we need to go down there, crawl across your bed, take the boat pole with you, and use the end of the boat pole, not the hook, but the handle end, and push it over.
Okay.
And we'll see if that'll take care.
All right.
Stand by.